Sorry that the last step got cut a bit short. Anyway, the next bit is, so you can see now that we've got all of the pipe dots or pearls right across the stripe, and it goes right away around the base of the cake. So now it's entirely up to you whether you choose to paint any of these, all of these, or leave them white. So I think it's quite nice just to paint a few of them. So I'm just going to bring in my paint palette again. I've got my paintbrush, my vodka, and I'm just going to use a bit of the orange. Make sure that it's quite weak. You don't want it too strong to start with. You can always add more, but it's harder to try and weaken it. And I'm just going to gently colour a few of these dots. It's up to you. You could use the same colours as in the carrot like I'm using, or you could use a different colour, maybe go for a purple or a pink, or you could do something really special, maybe put some gold or silver. Just make sure that you're using the edible colours. So I'm just going to randomly colour some of these, and I'll carry on going, just a few random ones just to add a bit of interest. I'm not going to worry about the ones around the base of the cake. We'll leave those as they are.